Hey guys, my name's Nina. This is Ninj. Today I'm wanting to show you a treatment that can help with lower back and maybe hip flexor issues that people often get from doing too much sitting at the desk, or maybe they're a runner, so they're getting issues with their psoas muscle. So these can be considered trigger points. So I just want to show you these treatments. So we're going to go in with Ninj and we're going to start with the psoas muscle. So I'm going to come off of the hip here just with my fingers, and I'm just going to sink and just push forward. I'm going to bring the knee up, and Ninja, I'm just going to get you to push up against my hand, and I want you to let me know when you can feel my fingers pushing on that psoas muscle.
Yeah, I'm starting to feel it now.
Yeah, okay, so relax your leg. You can drop that. So I'm just going to push in here for a little bit. And I want you to tell me what the pain is at, like from 0 to 10, 10 being really, really painful.
No, I'm pretty comfortable, so I'm pretty good.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
So I'm going to sink in and go to about a 7.
All right.
So if you let me know when we get to a 7.
Oh, yeah.
How's that?
Yeah, it's good. Good pressure.
All right. So I want you to tell me when that pressure drops down to about a 2 or 3.
Yeah, it's still there.
Yep, so you should feel it start to ease.
Yeah. That's good.
Is that dropping at all?
Yeah, it's dropping now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's interesting to receive it. You know, it starts off intense and it's an invasive area around this, you know, in our stomach. We're not used to having people pushing in our stomach. And
yeah.
so, it's good to go slow, and I can really sense a therapeutic feeling. So yeah, it's really good.
So once that's dropped down, I'm going to sink in a little bit deeper.
Yeah.
What's the pain at now?
No, I'm comfortable still.
Yeah. All right, so we might go in a bit deeper. I'm going to get you to take a breath in and then breathe out. And on that out breath, I just sink in a little bit further. And we're going to try and bring that back to about a 7. How are you feeling now?
Yeah, it's intensifying.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm pretty good. So yeah. I really like the way you're going about it.
Yeah.
Talking to me, and yeah, it's intense, it's intrusive, but I'm accepting it, receiving it, and surrendering to what you're doing. So it's really great. And getting a lot of awareness about what's going on in my own body.
Yeah.
And it's really cool to kind of know that there is a muscle deep in there, and a lot of people don't realise that, I think. So yeah, it's cool.
It's a forgotten muscle.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the trigger points, they can be created from like stress or environmental factors, toxins in your body. They can also be caused from like a lot of emotional traumas. So if you're going through something emotional, you can store it in your body in the form of a trigger point. So a lot of the time we'll see emotional responses.
Particularly in here, this is the digestion happens in here, so it's the processing of life. You know, that's the parallel. So yeah, when you have got stomach issues, sometimes you're holding onto your shit. Yeah. You're not letting go of your shit. Yeah. You know, or you're losing your shit. You know, so
we're gonna do one more. I'm gonna get you to breathe. Take a big breath in and then breathe out again.
Oh, yeah.
And we're just gonna melt that trigger point.
Yeah. That's really good, Nina.
Is that starting to?
Yeah, it's fading. It's fading quicker now.
Yeah.
I'm kind of trusting you, and it starts off really intense when you go to another level and at different angles and things, but yeah, it's sort of feel like it's releasing really well.
Yeah.
Yeah. How your fingers going?
Yeah, no, they're good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Strong fingers.
All right, so I'm gonna ease out now.
Yeah. Wow, yeah.
Nail marks on you.
That's good. You're in there nice and deep.
So we can do, like, maybe go through a stretch. Okay. We got there.
All right.
So you can put your hand over the edge of the table.
Grab it, yeah.
And I'm just going to stretch here. So this one does like PSOAS and TFL as well.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Good one.
Yeah, it's hard to do this one by yourself, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I can feel it through here. It's feeling good in here where you've released that off.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can kind
and
of
then
feel.
we'll treat
Feel
TFL.
that
So that's a
in
good
here.
stretch to do.
Yeah.
Back. All right, so to treat TFL, I'm going to get you lying on your side facing this side of the table.
Yeah.
And I will give you this here, so you can bring your top leg over there. So,
Do you want to pull that down at all, or
yeah, if you
go
want.
through it? Yes.
So for TFL, we'll find this bone here, and also the greater trochanter, which is just there. Find the center. And yeah, you can feel that muscle on you pretty easy.
Yeah.
And normally I'd be facing the other way, but
Yeah, I can feel that. You got strong.
is that the right spot?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. As you kind of went in there, I could really feel it.
Yeah. I
Strong
can
thumbs,
feel-
this girl. So as Nina's doing this, I want to ask you a couple of questions, just without notice.
Yeah.
So Nina's somebody that I've known from before. She started working with us, and we actually recruited her. So yeah, she's come and did our online course while she was a beauty therapist, and before you even started your remedial therapy, your formal qualifications.
Yeah.
So yeah. So how did you find the online course for a start?
The online course was really good. It was a challenge that I definitely needed in my life. I was, I guess, at a crossroads with trying to find a career that I was really passionate about. And I think if it wasn't for you guys, I probably wouldn't have developed a passion, because seeing how passionate you guys were, I think that's really inspiring for people to see how awesome treating people is and
Yeah.
healing people.
Yeah.
So I had done relaxation massage before in a beauty therapy course. So I did have a little taste of it 10 years ago. But yeah, coming here, I definitely saw something in it that I loved and wanted to, I guess just get really, really good at treating people
Yeah.
and helping people.
Yeah.
And then after doing the course with you guys, decided that I wanted to go on and do the Cert 4, and now I'm in the diploma.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome. So, yeah, I reckon a real turning point for Nina was when she turned up on the Saturday morning for the Money Spot weekend.
Yeah.
Kind of, she said, "No, I've got too much on. I've got to look after my kid," and or
Yeah.
whatever. She was making up a few excuses.
I had lots of excuses.
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess it was just so challenging for me, and I think the night before I told Ninj, look, I don't know, asked him a few questions, I don't know if I can be there, and
Yeah.
then that morning I just got up early. I set myself up so that I could have gone if I wanted to, and
Yeah.
then I just got in my car and decided to come, and
Yeah.
I think you guys weren't expecting me, so you started 10 minutes early, and I
Yeah.
got in and you're all started, and I was like, hello.
Yeah, you're here on time, but yeah, because everyone else was here, we thought, oh, we'll start doing our biodynamic warm-ups and stuff, and
Yeah.
Biodynamic, is that not, that's not right, is it?
Oh, what's it called?
Bioenergetic.
Bioenergetic, biodynamic, that's a bit of Steiner kind of, veggie growing stuff, but,
Well, maybe you'll do that too one day.
yeah, I want to grow some more veggies and some fruit trees, but it's
Yeah.
another story. I think that was a turning point, and kind of joining into the community. I think that was a really big thing for you,
Yeah.
feel welcome. You do our lift club and sometimes sprints,
Yeah.
and coming to our morning meetings on every second Wednesday with the whole group's there. It's
Yeah.
it's just
definitely.
it's a pleasure, isn't it? Just to be a part of something, have a purpose in place. And
Just having heaps of support from people, it just
Yeah.
makes a huge difference. Definitely having everyone they believe in you, and they're just inspiring you to be the best version of yourself.
Yeah.
I think that's really important in a workplace.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's important to find your path. But it's the hardest step for you was just making that first step, wasn't it?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
so,
now it's just opened a lot of doors, and here I am.
Yeah, so that's cool. So yeah, we're encouraging anybody out there that might be watching this and like our techniques and what you've seen so far, and just our humour, our camaraderie, and different things like that, our banter.
Yeah.
Like it, we just we do genuinely love each other in the team, but we kind of really try and do that with our customers as well. We really want to connect with them all, and I think that's a really different way that we approach things. We are really personal, and we kind of know when you're in each other's heart space, you know, two humans on a common cause that want the person to get better.
Yeah.
You can really get some good stuff done. So, and the lights, God's just fucking shining on me right now. I'm doing some good stuff. Doing some good stuff, eh? So so we just encourage anybody else out there that might be interested in doing our online course. We really recommend it. Nina recommends it too.
Yeah, absolutely. Just like if you've been thinking about it, stop thinking about it and just sign up and do it, because it's just fabulous and it's going to get you on the right pathway.
Yeah, so that's cool. Yeah, let's continue to help people. Like Nina's right when she's been doing our next gen, like she was getting 5-star reviews, people saying on these reviews stuff like, I've seen everybody, now come and see Nina.
And that's before I started like my course, like
the remedial,
yeah, that was just through your course.
Yeah.
And the Money Spot weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can start right from the get-go, right from the moment you kind of start doing our course. We'll give you our method and philosophies and encouragement to just get bodies on the table, work with other people, and you just got to start. Don't delay. You just got to start practicing, and the more experience you get, more practice you do, just the sooner you're going to be able to change lives. And don't just change other people, you're changing your own, because you've got purpose and meaning, and it's happiness, I think, is a really important thing. Happiness is not talked about enough. And it starts with you. You got to be on the right track and get your own health in check. That's why we really encourage people to get work done, the body work done, but also work on other things that aren't feeling quite right in your body. If your digestion is not right, or you got pains, or you don't have energy, that your body's just talking to you. It's telling you, come on, you let me down here. Come on, work on this. Because that's the ground level. If happiness starts with your body. Your body is telling you. If you're going through emotional stuff, you have stuff caught in your throat, like what Nina was saying before. Your stomach won't be right. You won't be digesting your food properly. But you can't not digesting life properly. You have
to be in rest and digest.
Yeah.
To digest your food.
Yeah.
So you gotta cut out the stress.
Yeah. Tune in. Yeah.
Change your life.
Yeah.
Change your lifestyle. Change your habits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But talking about stress, there's good stress and bad stress. So it's recognizing what is a good challenge. What will you suffer for?
Yeah.
And that's knowing yourself, what your values are. Because that's what DeMartini says, like the definition of suffering is, of passion, is willingness to suffer. What are you willing to suffer for? And you don't perceive it as suffering because, it's something that's really important to you. Like when you've got kids or whatever it is, you don't mind because it's your kid, or it's if you're really passionate about your job or your whatever it might be, your hobby and things like that, you're willing to go through the trials and tribulations for that because it's worth it. So anyway.
Well, I'm gonna back off of the TFL, give it some rest.
Yeah, no, it was good work.
Yeah.
So anyway, so I'll wrap my thing up, my course. If you want to come and work with Aaron and myself, just look at the links below and come and have a chat with us. No obligation, and let's get you helping people out straight away. And then Nina?
Yeah, book in with me. We'll go through treatments, start you on your journey of healing and getting your body fixed, and just start living pain-free.
Awesome. Get it done.